Hey, what's up, guys? So today your girl is officially over it. My doctor did stress to me that I was full-term, and I spoke to him about self-inducing because I've just been going through it all, and he told me that it's okay to try to self-induce, but I don't want to be induced. I don't want the Pitocin. I don't want any of that because it makes the labor even more rough. I've tried everything. I've tried the ball, I've tried the T, I've tried curve walking for long distances. I've tried everything. Nothing's worked. I am the type that I contract every day anyways, especially at night. I contract really bad at night. I don't get any sleep, but once the sun rises, baby girl wants to stop, and I don't got time for it no more. I've been 2 to 3 centimeters and 90% effaced for 3 going on 4 weeks. I'm tired. I'm over it. I'm tossing up between doing the midwife's brew or just drinking the Castor with the orange juice. I know me, I know myself. It's going to be hard for me to drink an 8 to 16 ounce drink of castor oil with the almond butter and all of that stuff in it. That's gonna be challenging for me. I'm gonna gag and throw up the entire time. So I'm thinking just taking the shot of castor oil, the 2 tablespoons, that would be better for me. At least I could just swallow it, chase it with some orange juice, and be done. I've given a lot of thought into this. I've done my research. I've actually tried this with my first 2 kids. I don't remember it working how I see on some of these videos on YouTube. Like, they document their journeys, like they take it 2 hours later, everything starts. I don't remember that with my first 2. I knew after I took it, maybe the next day I went into labor, but I don't remember it having any contractions or anything of that sort. I just know my cervix was really small. I mean, not small, but was really soft, and it made me dilate. That's all I remember. But this baby has to go. Like, I can't take it. But I'm full term now, so right now it's about 4 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm debating if I'm going to take it now or take it tonight. We'll see. But here is a belly shot of how big I actually am. This girl gotta go. Like last night, I contracted all night, and I have these nights where I'll be like, oh, this is it. Baby girl is giving me contractions every 10 minutes. Oh, it's every 6 minutes. This is it, honey. She'll do that for a couple hours, stop. It's like as soon as the sun rises, she stopped. Last night, it was really bad with the contractions. Even yesterday, I was like really nauseated, like couldn't get comfortable. Almost like, you know, labor was about to start up. Even today, I've been having like a lot of contractions, and even like down in my private area, I feel a lot of pressure, like especially my bottom and my vaginal area. It's like pressure when I have a contraction. Like, oh my god, like with these, like I better be having some cervical changes, and it feels like my water's on the break. Nothing happens. So she did that today for about 3 hours. Just stopped. I'm just like, you know what, girl, it's done. It's done. So yeah, I'm gonna come back when it's time for me to drink the castor oil. I'm working from home today, so my shift ends soon. Baby gotta go. I'm sorry. Kudos to you that can hang around all the way to 40 weeks, get induced, deal with the pain of that Pitocin. It's like unnatural. Like, I want my birth to be natural. I don't want a medication to tell me when I'm going to contract and when I'm going to do this and when I'm going to do that. But that's another story. I'll be back, y'all. try to get up and do my brows. I've been washing clothes, cleaning up all day, and yeah, so your girl will be back. All right. Okay, y'all, so it is almost 4 o'clock. It's 3:52. I have the goods. So my kids drunk all my orange juice. I'm so upset about it. I was gonna go to the store and get some more, but I said, you know what? I googled it. It said you can use any fruit juice. It's okay. But I'm a little irritated that they drink my orange juice that I brought last night. I mean, they drink it all. I bought the big one. They drink the whole thing. Dosage says adults and children over 12 take 1 to a maximum of 4 tablespoons. So I don't know if y'all know, but 1 tablespoon equals 15 mLs. So I gotta take 2, so that's 30 mLs. And this is a big old spoon. I got me a strawberry lemonade drink from Wendy's. Y'all, I'm nervous. So thick. Let's see. Oh, y'all. Oh, that is a lot. Y'all, let me make sure this thing says 1 tablespoon and not 1 teaspoon, because it's a lot. Ready? And I gotta do 2. Yeah. Let me get myself together. Get me a towel in case I start gagging. My little thing is already pulling because it's not about to gag. Okay, guys, y'all ready? Count down with me. 3. Gonna start with 3, 2, 1. It didn't work. Y'all, I gagged so hard it's just flew. Oh, y'all. I gagged like this with my first 2 kids, y'all. Don't be alarmed. If I can't take a teaspoon of this stuff, and it doesn't have like a bad taste. It's not the taste that's the issue. It's the texture. It is so thick. Like, as soon as it reaches your mouth, it's like, this video has already been going for 9 minutes. It's 4 o'clock. As y'all can see, the midwife's brew, that wouldn't have been for me. That would have been a waste of going to get all those ingredients. So I can already feel my stomach like, y'all can't believe I'm doing this right now. Oh God. I have taken this stuff. I told you I've already been contracting all day long already. I think I have the pajama contractions that I read about online. You can track with its natural label. I've been doing that for about 6 weeks. I know today I've been doing it a lot. And I've been feeling so much vaginal pressure. My stomach is super tight. I don't know if it came from me gagging or what, but we'll see. Right now it is 5:05. God Yeah, dang, y'all, I've been telling y'all a long time. It's 4:05. So the whole time I've been talking, it's been 3:50 something. Y'all, pregnancy brain. But if it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. I will not try it again. And I'm not trying to midwife program. I'm not setting myself up for failure with that. So I'll come back to y'all if anything happens. I'm about to get on my ball. Close out my last hour of work. And yeah. Talk to y'all soon. Okay, y'all. It's been about 20 minutes. Let me see. Yeah, been about 20 minutes. Within 10 minutes, my stomach started rumbling and getting tight. I've had one little small contraction so far. I'm on the toilet though because there was some pressure. I didn't know what it was, but it was just gas. But y'all, it's starting to work. I'll come back and let y'all know if any new changes. Okay, y'all, we are out here and we are walking. Huh? Yeah, we are out here and we are walking. Walking the neighborhood, trying to walk the baby down a little bit. What time it is, Mariah?
6:13.
It's 6:13. I haven't been feeling much but just stomach tightening. No pain associated with it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get diarrhea because I was already constipated a little bit to begin with because I eat so much cornstarch and baby powder. So just made it soft, but not like diarrhea or anything like that. It was still formed. So we're about to walk this baby out. And I'll come back with y'all if anything changes. Okay, y'all, it is currently it's currently 9:45 at night. I've had a shower and everything. I was laying in the bed trying to get comfortable. My contractions are coming every 8 to 9 minutes. I'm about to show y'all on this app. Hang on, I don't know if y'all can see it, but dang. Hang on. They're coming every 8 to 9 minutes. The diarrhea started about 7-ish. I haven't had that in about almost maybe 3. It's more gas than anything. But yeah, I'm going to keep timing them to see if they get any closer. I pray that they do. If they get any closer, then I will definitely come back to you guys. My face looks so swollen, my lips and stuff, but I will definitely come back to you guys and let y'all know what's going on. Yeah.